Right, so the inverse of a function's fx is the function that undoes what f of x has done. Yeah, so we write the inverse of a function fx as f, yeah, to the power of negative 1 of x. Yeah, so but we say this f inverse of the inverse of fx, yeah, or f of x, the inverse of f of x. All right, Arifa, okay. Arifa, you may close your video if your connection is really bad, yeah. All right. So if here I'm going to show you the diagrams here, the diagrams here. So we have the functions of f of x, yeah, and then we have the inverse of f x, yeah. So you can see, so it is like the reversing, yeah, and then we say it is inverse, yeah, the reverse operation, yeah. So first we are doing like this, and then it is undoes what have been done. Undoes what has been done, right? And here there is important information here, yeah. The domain of the inverse function is the range of the function. Remember that the domain of the inverse of a function is the range of the function. And the range of the inverse of the function is the domain of the function. Okay, please remember this concept. Okay. And the second concept that you need to remember that only, yeah, only one mapping have the inverse of the functions. Okay, and inverse functions exist if and only if the functions of x is 1-1 mapping. Only 1-1 mapping. Yeah, if it is many one, so there will be no inverse. Okay, many one functions have no inverse because the inverse of a function exists if and only if the function is 1-1 mapping. Okay. How to find the inverse of the functions? Let me explain to you step by step. If we have, this is the simple one here, linear, yeah. The linear, I mean the simple examples. First, yeah, we need to write the functions as y. Yeah, remember that fx is equals to y, right? So y is equals 3x minus 1. Okay, so we are writing our fx as y. Okay, so like this. The second step is you are interchange x and y. Interchange means y become x become y. The last step is you are rearranged to make y as the subject. Yeah, so which means you are finding y. After you are interchanging, then you are finding what is y. So y here is x plus 1 over 3. And therefore, this one is the inverse of f of x. Yeah, so now this one, this y becomes the inverse, so that we can rewrite as f inverse of x is x plus 1 over 3. If f and the f inverse are the same function, then f is called a self-inverse function. Yeah, but in this case, they are different. Yeah, f of x and f inverse, they are different. Yeah, so it is not a self-inverse function. Okay, right. What is the example of a self-inverse function? For example, 1 over x. So the inverse of the function 1 over x is also 1 over x. And therefore, it is a self-inverse function. Right? Let's now we do the explorations. Yeah. I want to give you 2 minutes. Yeah, to discuss about this one, these explorations with your classmate. Yeah, I will make a breakout rooms. Yeah. So let's see. I will make 2 breakout rooms. Yeah. And then I want you to choose to go to the rooms and then please do the exploration of this one. Please screenshot. Yeah. I want you to discuss. Please go to the rooms. I already assigned to the breakout rooms. There is a breakout room options, right?
Not yet, Miss.
Not yet. What about now?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, please join and then please discuss in 5 minutes.